1TV Patrol.
Bagong service hub sa MCOR gibuksan. Laing kalambuan na usab sa ekonomiya ang nahitabo sa dakbayan sa Usamis. Dili pa lang dugay ang ilado og sikat nga appliances og motorcycle dealer sa Usamis, ang MCOR Incorporated gibukas sa ilang ika-35 nga service hub sa Mindanao, Visayas ug Palawan. Mismo ang President Chief Operations Officer Mr. Nelson Aparejo ang nangulo sa opening ceremony sa bagong service hub nga na mahimutang sa Maningkol Highway tupad sa MOWD compound. Ikalipay usab pag-ayo sa mga opisyal o staff sa MCOR ang presensya sa mga city official nga mibulig sa aktibidad pinaagi sa pagpangulo ni Vice Mayor Simplicia Bebeneri og pipila ka mga sakop sa konseho sa ngalan ni Mayor Indy Uaminal og sa tibuok Asenso Usamis Administration. Gipasabot ni President COO Nelson Aparejo nga ang maong service hub mauna ang dangpan sa mga suki alang sa maintenance sa mga motorsiklo, Badya RA o bao-bao appliances ug ang bag-o karon nga service vehicle ang e-bike. Ipasalig ni Aparejo nga gawa sa mas konbenyente nga service hub, padayong makasalig ang mga suki sa dekalidad nga serbisyo gumikan sa well-trained og eksperensyado nga mga mekaniko og technician og genuine pagayod ang mga spare parts. Ang MCOR Incorporated mialagad na sa Usamis og kaabag sa kagamahanang lokal sulod na sa 5 ka dekada.
MCOR has been in the industry for the past 66 years already. And MCOR started its business in Davao, in Bahada, Davao City, which is now our head office. And but everybody, I would like to let everybody knows that MCOR started selling our allied products and services. That means from appliance down to motorcycles and three-wheelers here in Usamis since 1989. Meaning to say, we've been here for the past 35 years already. MCOR is selling various products and services. We have also qualification through our ISO, because MCOR strive to improve its internal processes by accrediting ourselves through ISO. You know, MCOR is not just concerned about selling the product, but basically taking care of the product of the customer even after sales, because we want to sell peace of mind to our customers that once they buy the product from us, they will not be a problem in terms of the continuous enjoyment of the product that they bought from us. We are still ongoing, the construction is still ongoing to erect a new Usamis Best Bike that we're going to have there. That's why we relocated the service to provide much wider and bigger space for our customers. But again, as this early Vice and the Mayor kindly extend, na iimbitahan po namin kayo ulit sa opening namin doon sa kabila. MCOR is a law-abiding company. As a matter of fact, Vice, pakisabi po kami sa bayaran ng tax, kami po ay nagbabayad ng gusto, walang kakulangan, sometimes may labis pa, no? MCOR is regarded as the #1 taxpayer, large taxpayer in Mindanao.
In behalf of our Honorable City Mayor, Mayor Indy Uaminal Jr., and my colleagues in the City Council, allow me first to congratulate this grand opening, the manager and the staff and employees of this outfit. Palakpakan natin sila. Dako kayo na mong kalipay, no? From the HU for this great opening. This speaks out that you have all the trust and confidence of our governance in Osamis City. Salamat kaayo nining tanan. You are all welcome. Ang tanang mga business sector, kalipay kayo na mo nga you are really our partner in progress and development of Ozami City. Had not for your trust and confidence in operating business in Ozami City, I think we cannot go on also with our vision and mission to serve the people of Ozamis. Kaya kung wala mo, wala po di mahimo. Di ba? Palakpakan na to atong business sector.
One TV Patrol.